Hey guys, this is Mithun Jain and welcome to MitFit. So in this video, we'll be looking at some of the basic ab exercises that you can easily do at home, and also I'll be covering the progression part. So we'll be having two videos for the ab workout series. So this particular video will cover the rectus abdominis region. So now the front part of the abdominal muscles that you normally see, the six packs that everyone is after. So I'll be explaining and showing you how you can train those front part of the abdominal muscles, and the next video will be on obliques. So there will be two parts for this ab workout series video. Also, during the exercise, I'll be explaining you the science behind each exercise, so please watch it till the end. Also, I want to make a point here that you don't get abs by doing thousands of crunches. Your abs are visible only if you have a lower body fat percentage. And how do you get low body fat percentage? By following a proper nutrition plan. So diet plays a key role if you want to get those six packs and to lower your body fat percentage. So then why do we need to train abs muscle? The same reason for which we train our leg muscles, back muscles, our arms, chest. So we also need to train our abdominal muscles. So the abdominal musculature is strengthened, your overall core is strong. So now let's start with the exercises. First exercise is partial crunches. Bend your legs and put your hands near your ears. Now from here you need to crunch, that is, I am bringing my rib cage to the pelvic region and hence working my rectus abdominis muscle. Breathe out forcefully when you come up from your mouth and breathe in from your nose when going down. Once this gets comfortable, you need to close the gap between your hamstring and calves just the way I did. So by doing this, there will be less involvement of the hip flexor muscles and more involvement of the rectus abdominis, that is your six packs. You can also place your hands near your thighs and slide them up just the way I am doing if you are not comfortable with putting them behind your neck. Keep your chin tucked in, look at the navel while coming up and roll like a carpet. After you are able to do 15 to 20 reps comfortably, you can lift your legs, and now your hips are flexed at a 90-degree angle, which means there is no involvement of hips and you need to come up with your abdominal strength. After that, you can completely straighten out your legs and perform the same drill. Breathe out from your mouth when you come up and breathe in from your nose when you go down. You can also keep your hands crossed on your chest and crunch. Next, you can keep your hands behind and try to reach your toes. Go as high as you can, keeping your hips flexed at 90 degree. This is like almost performing a full crunch. Next, you need to perform full crunches. So ask someone to stand on your foot so that you are properly anchored and can use your abdominal strength much better. You can also anchor it under an object, say something like a sofa. Keeping your chin tucked in, start rolling like a carpet from the start. Hands at the side, breathe out forcefully from your mouth when you come up and then breathe in when you go down. Also close in the gap between your hamstring and calves. By doing this, the hips are less involved and you need to come up with your abdominal strength. The next progression is reverse crunches. Straighten up your legs by keeping your knees slightly bent. From here, you need to bring your hips towards your rib cage. Then slowly go down and stop at 90-degree angle. Then again crunch. You need to breathe out forcefully when you bring your legs towards your chest and breathe in when you bring it back to the starting position. And this exercise is not for your lower abs but for your entire rectus abdominis, that is your six packs, the front part of the muscles that you normally see. So this is just a progression from the forward crunches where we are using the resistance provided by the lower body, which is much higher than the upper body. You can also keep your hands under the hips and perform the same drill. So you work your rectus abdominis either by bringing your rib cage towards the pelvic region or the pelvic region towards the rib cage. So there is no upper and lower abs in human anatomy. Rectus abdominis, that is your six packs, is one continuous sheath, and you work them by flexing your trunk. In simple terms, you either bring your chest towards your legs or your legs towards your chest to work your front part of the abdominal muscles. Also, you can hold on to some object behind you so that you are properly anchored and you are able to generate much more force from your abdominal region. It's always better to anchor yourself or to hold on to something so that you can completely generate more force from your abdominal region. The next exercise will be leg raises for your hip flexor muscles. Keep your head off the ground, chin tucked in, hands under your hips, and bring your legs till 90-degree angle. Cross your ankles so that there are no loose ends in your body. So this will work your hip flexor muscles and also indirectly contract your rectus abdominis muscle. So there will be isometric contraction for the rectus abdominis. You can also place your hands behind your neck, or you can also hold on to some object behind you like a chair, the same way I did in reverse crunches. If you find it difficult doing it with both the legs, you can also do this leg raises exercise with one leg at a time. Bend your other leg and do it with one leg at a time. You need to breathe out from your mouth when you lift your legs up and breathe in from your nose when you bring your legs down. Do it with both the legs. So these were the exercises for the rectus abdominis and your hip flexor muscles. The next video will be on how you can train your obliques. You can also check out some other home workout videos that I have posted on my channel. Also, there are some healthy recipes videos and nutrition science videos. So I'll be posting more of science-backed workout videos. So please do like, share and subscribe to the channel for more videos on health, fitness and nutrition. Thank you.